Let's see how to add a lead so you can easily check the feasibility for a new connection. First, go to the lead section in your dashboard. Now click on the Add Lead button. Here, you need to fill in the customer details for whom you want to check feasibility. The required fields are first name, last name, mobile number. Make sure these details are entered correctly, as they are mandatory once you have filled in the basic information. The next step is to check the feasible device in the customer's area. Now, add the customer's location details. You need to enter or select the correct latitude and longitude. After adding the location, click on the Check Feasible button. OctaNet will automatically analyze the location and show you which boxes or devices are available in that area. After that, fill in the remaining details such as complete address, available services, service requirements. Adding proper service requirements makes it easier for the engineer to understand the customer's needs. Once everything is completed, click on the Add Lead button. That's it, your lead has been successfully added, and now your team can proceed with the feasibility and installation process.